In just 3 months of 2026, over 11.6 million vehicles were recalled in America, and your car could be on the list. Robert here, and I am about to reveal the truth no car maker wants you to know. Over 1 million vehicles are now linked to engine failure warnings, and yours could be one of them. Stay till the end, because I will show you the quick VIN check that reveals the truth. Smash that subscribe button right now before you miss it. The engine crisis. Nobody can ignore. Something serious is happening to modern car engines, and the numbers are too big to ignore. In just the first 3 months of 2026, around 11.6 million vehicles were recalled in the United States alone, and a large share of those recalls are tied directly to engine problems. This is not a small issue affecting one bad model from one brand. It is a wide pattern hitting almost every major car maker on the road today, from American giants like Ford, General Motors, and Stellantis, to Japanese names like Toyota and Nissan, to Korean brands like Hyundai and Kia. Engines are stalling on highways without warning. Some are leaking hot oil. Some are simply locking up and dying after only a few years of normal driving. Government records from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration show that complaint after complaint is pointing to the same thing. Engines that should last 200,000 miles or more are breaking down far earlier than expected. For everyday drivers who saved money for years to buy a reliable car, this is more than just bad news. It is a quiet disaster that is reshaping trust in the entire car industry. And most people still have no idea their vehicle could be on the list. Warning signs started early. This crisis did not appear overnight. The early signs were there years ago, but most drivers never heard about them. Take the GM 6.2-liter V8 engine, called the L87. It first came out in 2019, and almost right away, owners started complaining about strange noises, sudden power loss, and engines that would not even start. General Motors quietly opened its own internal investigation back in February 2022, but most of the public never heard a word. Drivers kept buying these trucks and SUVs, trusting that the engine inside was as strong as the brand name on the front. Years went by while complaints piled up at NHTSA. The same pattern played out at other companies too. Nissan's variable compression turbo engine, used in the popular Rogue and Altima, was praised as cutting-edge engineering, but reports of metal debris and bearing failures were stacking up long before any official recall was announced. Ford had similar early warnings on multiple engine families. The hard truth is simple. These engine problems were known internally for years, but ordinary buyers had to find out the hard way, often after their vehicle broke down in traffic or left them stranded far from home with a repair bill they never imagined facing. Major brands under pressure. The 2025 recall numbers reveal a shocking pattern, and almost no brand escaped clean. Ford led the entire industry with more than 12.9 million vehicles recalled in 2025, the highest number of any car maker. Toyota followed with about 3.2 million vehicles, Stellantis with nearly 2.8 million, Hyundai with over 1.07 million, Kia with 982,346, and General Motors with 998,260. Honda recalled around 1.56 million, and Nissan added another 874,265. Many of these campaigns are directly linked to engine defects that can cause loss of power, fire risk, or complete engine failure on the road. The pressure on these brands is now coming from every direction at once. Federal regulators, lawsuits from frustrated owners, falling resale values, and the trust of millions of customers slipping away with each new headline. Even brands famous for reliability are now facing tough questions. Some car makers are responding faster, while others are still being investigated for whether their fixes actually solve the problem. For the average driver, the message is clear. A famous logo on the hood is no longer a promise that the engine inside will last. Which brand on this list shocked you the most? And do you trust it the same way you used to? Drop your honest answer in the comments. The hidden problem inside modern engines. So why is this happening to so many engines at once? The answer lies inside the engines themselves. Modern engines are built smaller, lighter, and far more complex than engines from 20 years ago. Car makers are under huge pressure to meet strict fuel economy and emissions rules, so they have moved to small turbocharged engines, thinner internal parts, and tighter tolerances. The problem is that when something goes wrong in manufacturing, even a tiny mistake can destroy the whole engine. In the GM 6.2-liter V8, the recall pointed to defective connecting rod or crankshaft components that could cause the engine to fail suddenly. In Nissan's 1.5-liter and 2.0-liter VC turbo engines, faulty bearings could leave metal shavings inside the oil, slowly destroying the engine from within. Toyota recalled 126,691 vehicles because machining debris was left inside engines during production, causing stalling and no start conditions. Ford recalled 2,026 Explorer and Mustang vehicles because piston circlips were installed incorrectly, which can lead to piston failure and full loss of drive power. These are not random, unrelated issues. They share a pattern of small manufacturing errors, creating big mechanical disasters. And unlike older engines that gave warning signs for months, many of these new engines fail with little or no warning at all. The scariest part is that even brand new vehicles fresh off the lot are showing up in these recall lists. Owners are paying the price. While car makers fight regulators and lawsuits in court, regular owners are the ones living the daily nightmare. Imagine driving down a highway at full speed, and without any warning light, your engine suddenly loses all power. That is exactly what NHTSA documents describe in many GML87 cases, where drivers reported no detectability prior to the engine failure. Some owners found themselves stuck on the side of the road with a vehicle that was only 2 or 3 years old. The financial damage is brutal. A new engine for a modern truck or SUV can easily cost between $10,000 and $20,000 if the warranty does not fully cover it. Some owners are losing their vehicles for weeks or even months while waiting for parts, and rental cars during that time can drain savings fast. There is also the safety side. A bearing failure can breach the engine block, leak hot oil, and create a fire risk inside the vehicle. Families with children, workers who depend on their truck for daily income, and retirees on fixed budgets are all being hit hard. For many of them, the dream of owning a dependable car has turned into months of stress, paperwork, dealer visits, and the painful feeling that their loyalty to a brand was never truly returned. Why recalls are not always enough. Many drivers believe that once a recall is announced, the problem is solved. Sadly, that belief is now being tested in a serious way. The clearest example is the GM 6.2-liter V8 case. In April 2025, GM recalled nearly 600,000 trucks and SUVs in the United States, including the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, Suburban, and Tahoe, the Cadillac Escalade and Escalade ESV, and the GMC Sierra 1500, Yukon, and Yukon XL. Owners followed every step. They took their vehicles to dealers and received the official fix, which for many meant a heavier oil and a new oil cap, while others received full engine replacements. Yet on January 16, 2026, NHTSA opened a brand new investigation called Recall Query RQ26001 because 36 owners reported that their engines failed even after completing the official recall remedy. Both versions of the fix appeared to be failing in real-world driving. This means a recall on paper does not always equal a real solution in your driveway. Owners are now being told to keep checking oil levels. The model's drivers should watch closely. If you own any of the vehicles tied to these failures, you need to pay close attention right now. The biggest watch list includes 2021 to 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, Suburban and Tahoe, GMC Sierra 1500, Yukon and Yukon XL, and Cadillac Escalade and Escalade ESV models with the 6.2-liter L87 V8 engine. On the Nissan side, the recall covers 2021 to 2024 Rogue, 2019 to 2020 Altima, and select Infiniti models with the 1.5-liter or 2.0-liter VC turbo engine. Ford owners should be especially careful with certain 2026 Explorer and Mustang vehicles tied to the piston circlip recall, and a much larger group of 2025 Ranger, Lincoln Nautilus, Mustang, Maverick, Explorer, Escape, Lincoln Corsair, Bronco Sport, and Bronco vehicles, where 47,804 units were recalled for sudden EGR valve failure that can cause loss of drive power. Toyota's recall of 126,691 vehicles covers models where machining debris may cause stalling and no start issues. The 2023 to 2025 Nissan Rogue with the 3-cylinder 1.5-liter VC turbo is also under a fresh engine bearing recall. If your vehicle, model year, and engine match any of these, what every owner must do now. Knowledge is power, and right now there are simple steps every car owner should take to protect themselves. First, go to the official NHTSA website and use the free VIN lookup tool. Type in your 17-character vehicle identification number, which is printed on your dashboard near the windshield and on your insurance papers, and the system will tell you if there is any open recall on your specific vehicle. Do this even if you have never received a letter, because mail can be delayed or sent to old addresses. Second, learn the early warning signs that your engine could be in trouble. Ticking or knocking noises. The check engine light coming on. Sudden hesitation. Rough shifting. Oil that disappears between changes. Or any short loss of power. If you notice any of these, take your vehicle to a dealer right away and ask them to write down everything in the service report. Third, keep every receipt, every email, and every recall notice in one folder. This paperwork can be the difference between a free engine replacement and a huge out-of-pocket bill. Finally, sign up for free recall alerts through NHTSA or the Safer Car app. So the moment your vehicle is added to a new campaign, you will be the first to know. Acting today, even with one small step, can save you thousands of dollars and protect every life inside your vehicle. Check your VIN first. Before you panic, check your exact vehicle by VIN, because not every model has the same risk. Federal safety documents show major engine-related issues involving Honda and Acura, bearing failures and Ford fuel pump stall risks affecting huge numbers of vehicles. A quick VIN check can show open recalls before the problem becomes expensive. That one search could help you catch a warning before your engine fails on the road. The 2026 engine crisis is real, and millions of drivers are still in the dark about the danger sitting under their hood. Check your VIN today, watch for early warning signs, and protect your family before it is too late. Hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a life-saving update.